Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back out in the warehouse, and today we're going to be discussing a Pentair water valve that we have out here. This is part number 225470. So this guy here is a top feed water valve. So that means that the water comes in from the top. This is the 1.5-inch version. So what the 1.5 inch means is that actually means the water that comes out of the bottom of the valve, the lines that come out, that's the size of them. So if you see 1.5 inch or 2-inch, that's the lines that come out of the bottom of the valves. We're going to open this guy up real quick here. So this is a 1.5 inch water valve. It has an 1.5 inch threaded insert on the top. This is the QuikStop that allows you to pause the water valve. If you don't want the pop-up heads moving around the pool, you want to test something, any of those items, it allows you to pause that. Like I said, it's threaded on top, so you do need a threaded 1.5 inch nipple that goes on top. 6 ports, so that tells you there's 6 holes on the bottom of this valve, all 1.5 inch. And this is the top feed valve, not the low profile that comes from the side. So this is a top feed, 6-port, 1.5 inch valve, part number 225470. This is a complete valve. You got the bottom, top, gear kit, clamp, flaps inside. It's ready to be installed and operate your pop-up heads in your swimming pool. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Look for this valve online. We have it at ePoolSupply.com. Also have it at 2710 West Bell Road. Lots of them there, as you can see here. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.